it's Georgia.
Hi, it's Chloe.
And today we're at the Bass Strait Maritime Museum in
Devonport, Tasmania. Let's go adventure.
Wow.
Whoa, Georgia, this place is so cool.
Where should we start?
Let's go this way. Whoa, so many things to look at.
This exhibition is called Glass with a Past.
Look at all the different types of bottles they have here. Some are even from the 1890s. Now that's an old bottle. Let's check out what else they've got here. Whoa! A ship in a bottle? That is so cool.
Wow.
Look, these were handcrafted in 2003.
How do you think they get them inside there?
Well, they must have some tiny little tools to carefully place them inside, Georgia.
Let's see what other types of bottles we can find.
I can see some this way. Ooh, lots of different colours. There's green ones and brown ones. Oh, and that one's even blue. And look at these fancy bottles. They're perfume ones. Look at that one, it's got a special puffer. This is a temporary exhibition all about the history of Tasmanian glass bottles. This exhibition changes every few months.
That's awesome, Chloe. Did you know that back in the early 1900s, towns in Tasmania had their own cordial factories, which made all our fizzy drinks.
Whoa.
And how they recycled them was you would take your empty bottle back to the shop and they would fill it up again.
That's so cool, Georgia. Maybe we should start doing that again.
Now we have plastic, so we have a new recycling routine.
True. And look, Georgia, some of the glass bottles here are very precious and expensive because they're really old.
They sure are.
Look, even the medicine bottles were glass as well. Every town had their own special bottle for their drinks. Look, this one even has the name Devonport on it. So many different things to see. Look, Georgia, here's a boat. It's called Spray. That's a pretty cool boat. This model was built by someone in Devonport. His name was Jeff. He must have been pretty clever. Look, a big boat. Can we get in this one, Georgia?
No, Chloe, it says no entry on board.
Ah, bummer. Look, here's the oars to row, row, row the boat.
Look, Chloe, here's some boats made out of Lego.
Whoa, I have some of these Legos at home. How cool.
Here at the Maritime Centre, you can learn so much about Tasmania's history with ships, boats and voyages.
It's such a great place to come with your friends, your school, to come and explore and learn so many new things.
Chloe, can you hear that?
I can. Georgia, is that the simulator they have here?
I think so.
Let's go check it out. Up the stairs. Whoa, it's like a real boat in here. Georgia, are you going to be the captain?
I'll try my best, Chloe.
Oh, look, it says tap to start. Tap.
It says on here, the captain's mission is to choose your adventure.
Whoa.
So first, let's select our mission.
There's easy, medium and hard. Let's do the easy one to start with, Georgia.
Good choice. And then next up, we set the brass telegraph to upright position.
I see. Okay, are you ready to start the game?
Sure am. Ready, steady, start! Now I have to steer the ship through the anchors to gain points and claim my reward.
Whoa! What a great song! Oh! We have to use this thing here.
That thing, Chloe, is a brass telegraph.
I see, Georgia.
Whoa.
Full, half, slow, slow, stop! Got it.
Okay.
Whoa,
Okay.
Georgia, it feels like we're on a real ship.
Let's go ahead.
Oh,
Fast.
fast! Let me know when you want to slow down, Georgia.
Turn. We need to get these anchors to earn points. Turn. Yes. Got
Nice.
1 point.
Steer! You.
Oh no. We're going in a circle. Oh. We're gonna collide.
Oh, that was hard work steering the ship, Georgia, but really fun.
It sure was. Let's see what else we can find.
What's this thing over here?
Hello.
What is this, Georgia?
That there, Chloe, is a special vent. It lets air into the cabins so that they can breathe.
Ah, I see. Look! Aye, Captain. Sends a message to the bridge. The bridge is where the captain steers the ship. Hi, Captain.
There should be another one around here somewhere.
Where is it? Ah, I spy it over there, Georgia. You go over there and I'll talk to you from this one. Then we can have a little conversation back and forth. Are you ready, Georgia?
Sure am.
Whoa, that was cool.
Hi, Georgia. Hi, Chloe. Are you having fun at the Maritime Centre, Georgia? Sure am, Chloe.
Let's go see what else we can find.
And continue our adventure.
Whoa, who's this fellow?
He is called Jono Johnston, and he is a deep sea diver.
Whoa,
He walked along the bottom of the Bass Strait for 43 kilometres, which took 6 weeks, because he had to fix a telecommunication cable, which connects Tasmania to Victoria.
but Georgia, when I go swimming in the swimming pool, I can't walk on the water. How does he stay down?
He has a large weight on his chest,
Whoa.
which keeps him at the bottom of the ocean, so he doesn't float back to the top.
He must have been pretty brave.
Sure was.
Look, Georgia, there's lots of different rope here. What is this for?
Sailors use a range of different knots when they're tying up things on their boats. And over here, we can have a go at tying our own.
Ah, I see. Lots of different types. Maybe I'll try this clove one. Okay, around and around and around and down. Whoa, this is trickier than it seems. And through. Nice.
I'm trying the bowline, but it's a little bit tricky. There we go. I think I did it. This room is all about our first mariners, the sea country people, the indigenous Tasmanians.
Look, Georgia, here is a canoe made by the Tasmanian Aboriginal people. It was handcrafted from 3 main plant fibres: stringy bark, paper bark, and reeds. How clever. Look at this beautiful Palua shell necklaces. The Palua ladies have been making them for many years. Look, Georgia, some dress-ups. Oh, you can be a sailor. And I'm gonna be a pirate. Arr, now I'm ready to sail the Bass Straits.
Look, this is Abel Tasman's bell. He was the first European to sight Tasmania, and he called it Van Diemen's Land. This is one of the original Spirit of Tasmanians. Before this boat, that we had the Abel Tasman, but it was just too small to to carry people from Tasmania to Victoria.
There were just so many people that wanted to travel over to the mainland. Look, here's the Empress of Australia. And here's the Princess of Tasmania. These boats travelled from Devonport to Melbourne.
Here's the last 50 years of ships travelling from Tasmania to Melbourne.
Here at the Maritime Museum, they have lots of different models of ships and boats. Let's go see how many we can find.
This bell was on one of the boats that worked in the Great War. It survived the war and is located here at the Maritime Centre, where you can ring it quietly in remembrance for all the sailors who fought in the war.
This is what the sailors wore in the Royal Australian Navy in the 1990s.
In this room, we can remember some of Tasmania's war heroes.
Look, this room teaches us all about the Julie Burgess. Julie Burgess was originally a crayfish boat,
But recently, it has been restored so that we can now go on our own voyage in Devonport. The Bass Strait Maritime Centre is an amazing place to come and uncover all the secrets of the infamous Bass Strait.
There's so many fun, engaging and educational rooms here to discover. Look, it's Matthew Flinders and over here is George Bass.
They were on the same voyage exploring the ocean when they came across the Bass Strait, which Matthew Flinders found and named it after his best friend George Bass. George Bass said, "But what, there's nothing named after you?" So then, when they found Flinders Island, they named it after Matthew Flinders.
Look, Georgia, a cat. His name is Trim.
He was on board the HMS Reliance with Matthew Flinders when he circumnavigated around Australia.
Look, here's the Junior Gallery. I think we can do some colouring in and then put it on here for display.
Look, Chloe, here's a picture of Matthew Flinders and Trim the cat.
Ah, yes, let's colour it in. I'm going to use an orange pencil to start.
Here's blue. Here at the Junior Gallery, you can do so many different things. You can do some fun activities. They have lots of different scavenger hunts. They also have a range of different colouring ins you can do.
Look, I've finished my colouring in, but I think now it's time to stamp my name on it. Oh, here's a C. Oh, now I need a H. Oh, L. O. Finally, I need an E. Perfect.
Now it's time to do my name. First, a G, an E, an O, an R, another G, an I, an A. Perfect.
Time to put them on display now. I'm going to put mine right here. Perfect.
Wow, put mine on this side. There we go, all finished. I think it's time for us to go home now. But we've had so much fun here at the Bass Strait Maritime Museum, here in Devonport, Tasmania.
See you next time. Happy adventuring.